At a virtual press conference between members of the Congress party, there had been certain demands for details from the present government on the preparedness to handle the current as well as third wave of COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya. The Congress MLA from Mawsynram, Hima Shangplyang, stated that the government has to first consider the pandemic as a disaster and categorize the ex gratia payment to victims who had succumbed to the virus according to the Disaster Management Act and not on any amount fixed by the government.
Yeah, because the amount itself is not fair.
Because you see, madam, now this whole pandemic has been declared as a national disaster. Now, when you call a national disaster, meaning as per the National Disaster Management Act, any victim is entitled to a particular amount which is specified by as per the Act. Now, the state government cannot just say 50,000 lump sum.
Yeah.
On what
Basis? Yeah.
On what basis have they termed that 50,000? Therefore, they should categorize. This whole pandemic as a disaster, and then accordingly, every victim has to be compensated ex gratia as per the amount fixed by the Act. So this is what.
And also the law. I think the minimum limit should be 50,000, but then there are patients who have spent lakhs of rupees for ventilation.
Speaking on similar lines, the Congress MLA from Layum Kra, Amperin Lingdo, demanded from the government the details of the ex gratia payment to be paid to families of those who had lost their lives to the virus.
But we would like to know the details of this ex gratia payment of 50,000 rupees. The fact that it is too small an amount is something else. We've not gotten to that stage of discussion. Right now, we want details of this ex gratia. What are the sources? Who will certify? How will the payments be made? How will the inquiries be done? Are they going to include people with comorbidities as victims of COVID? Because the death certificate might say hypertension, so COVID, so died. So there's a lot of ambiguity, and clarity is required, and we've been assured that they will give us a full plan of the implementation of this ex gratia payment.
With regards to the recent demise of a health worker of the Ganesh Das Hospital, Shillong, Amperin Lingdo informed that a discussion with the Director General of Police led to the fact that the incident that had happened is genuine and is currently under investigation by the police.
You cannot ask the victim personal questions. You cannot ask because it is not fair. You cannot publish. Because that's all, pressurizing her. So, as per the DGP's report to the committee, the investigation on the case is on. Every other thing for the committee is just rumors and gossip.